Hello, everybody. Thank you to Pi Core team and Pi Network community for inviting me to this first Pi Convention 2020. Talk about Pi apps for Latin America and how integrate your use case for the real life. Linked Pi apps inside finance apps in Latin America. My user in the Pi network apps. Iamyouare. I have 10 topics in my presentation for today. Topics: Pi apps development in Latin America. Finance apps for transfer money between users and how Pi apps can take advantages in the banking solutions to convert Pi network in money for a good use case. Integration of Pi marketplace inside eCommerce apps to buy and sell physical goods and services with Pi. Third-party applications. Pros and cons of stopping mobile mining at 10 million, 100 million, or 1 billion. The future of Pi mobile apps. Proof of Humanness. Community and governance. Industry talk. Others. Linked Pi apps inside finance apps in Latin America. First topic: Pi apps development in Latin America. Pi network reached 8 million users. Pi network is a small country with that quantity of users in Latin America and the Caribbean. We head with matters sources: 1 for implementation, finance apps, games, eCommerce, and diversity services in the foods, sports, health, mobility, telephones, education, art industry, and software solutions for business and big enterprises. Second topic: finance apps for transfer money between users and how Pi apps can take advantages in the banking solutions to convert Pi network in money for a good use case. Latin America presented a big opportunity for Pi network in the financing field for easy access to all people to an account where not exist banking services, but had a mobile telephone service and connectivity to internet. So much persons in Latin America had your family in other countries and they pay higher costs in money transfers, and especially if they send of Europe and North America. Latin American governments searched very cheap solutions to give higher benefits to users of this services. The President of Salvador Republic says search the solution with the cryptocurrency use how way to exchange and use for goods and services. The Central Bank of Brazil was working in a platform based in a blockchain network to release the last quarter of 2020. The goal is register accepted data in a new system for instant paid and change the banking system for pays. If implement this platform, the banking system of Brazil pioneers in the continent for adoption to national level. The blockchain ecosystem for the banking. These efforts give easy and optimize the basic process to pay for your citizens. Third topic. Integration of Pipe Marketplace inside eCommerce apps to buy and sell physical goods and services. With Pipe, the eCommerce, it is a field that it is open with big, strong in Latin America, but only to find that money. This opens the opportunity for Pi Network and the Pi community for we can impulse the commerce of products and services with use of Pi platform for buy and sell physical items and services. This is easy for decentralization of services that just the private banking use with your applications and website of eCommerce that give more riches a few peoples and others with nothing of options for this field. With Pi Network open possibilities for commerce of your products and services for the cryptocurrency. When new users download Pi Network apps and offer our products and services, create a Latin America Pi Network land. Each one we are big with the cryptocurrency use. Fourth topic. Third-party applications. And the important there to consider is that Pi are in process of build apps inside Pi Network apps and how Pi community we are party in the creation of apps with impact in the Pi ecosystem. We are known about Pi Network chat apps from Wistar of Pi. And the first third-party application for Pi community developers. They helping with the service of evaluation SARS-CoV-2 or COVID-19 pandemic from Stanford University in the United States of North America. With your collaboration for Get to Know Your Symptomatology over COVID-19 each 24 hours, you to receive 0.001 Pi Network. What do you think will be the next Pi Network apps inside Pi apps? One question, different answers. Are you develop any apps for Pi Network? If you are working in development of Pi Network, this is a big opportunity for be party in this ecosystem with the Pi apps. Latinamerica. Start your digital revolution with the Pi Network cryptocurrency. One Pi, one world. Fifth topic. Pros and cons of stopping mobile mining at 10 million, 100 million, or 1 billion. This is a strong topic of analysis in the community, and my considerations it is that the Pi Network community increase day with day, and so much with motivation for give tap in the lightning button and earn your piece of Pi. All new users want to earn also Pi every day. My suggestion to Pi core team and the Pi Network community that's stopping the mobile mining apps. 10 million users isn't a good idea. It be the field from any community members. Best form it is had the strategy to reduce the mobile mining to having at 10 million, 100 million or 1 billion. Was this form Pi Network? It is an inclusive cryptocurrency for the world and give the opportunity that new pioneers had your piece of Pi. The one cons it is that until 100 million and 1 billion users take a long time, but for when reached this Gold Pi Network had much experience and excellent value around the world. Sixth topic. The future of Pi mobile apps. The Pi Network application had a genius development team. We are a big community, and inside this exists much talent for powerful apps development for the Pi Network apps ecosystem. Much users in the Pi apps still with motivation and run continuous. The voice about Pi environment. New pioneers and increase in our countries the interest for the Pi Network use, how the cryptocurrency for buy and sell goods and services. Pi Network it is building the new economy with the cryptocurrency use, how way to exchange and commerce. Latinamerica and the Caribbean, it is a strong marketplace for the use and commerce with the Pi apps. Seventh topic. Proof of Humanness. The genesis of the cryptocurrencies from the creation of Bitcoin was the security and the anonymous in transactions, but obviously this broke when you had contact person to person for exchange of cryptocurrencies. For that result isn't credible that exists anonymous, but it is a reality the quantity of bad actors. That good feelings in the anonymous for irregular transactions reason for that the process proof of human or know your customer KYC. It is a point that difference to Pi network of other cryptocurrencies, how added value in the finite world or money the legal way. Each one of Latin America and the Caribbean countries. The KYC in his natural proceeding that is requirement for all transactions legal, social, and finance. Example, the banks require your documents, how nationalized driver license, residence card or passport, etc. Was this can close? Pi network, it is a big opportunity for massive adoption around the world. Main topic: community and governance. Governance. The dynamic of the governance of the cryptocurrencies can appear to the diversity of the sovereign. Governance include to all the corruption and the scandal linked to the philosophic consequences of the governance in the protocol of cryptocurrencies give how resulted a fundamental truth. All the protocols of cryptocurrencies were subjective and depend on consensus of your government. The governance in the blockchain present much strong advantages in the governance environment. Be a few reasons but of much power that can go away to adoption of the technology by government institutions party. Reasons that we can say are big: decentralization, transparency and integrity of the data, vitally computer. Ethereum CEO in an interview to know about Ethereum 2.0 say that governance of the blockchain, it is the mechanism that was killed slow the probabilities of massive use, and it is the preoccupation main of who knows over the topic in front of big incentives that take who had capacity for acquisition of cryptocurrencies. What do you think about these words of vitalik? Do you think that governance will slow the probabilities for massive adoption of the blockchain? Can do Pi network broken these words of vitalik and had massive adoption all over the world? 3 questions for everyone, and different answers maybe. Community. The humans, we are naturally be socials. We communicate and connect with communities that we admit progress and affront any type of project inside of one civilized order determinate and historic moment that always stay rolled in a paradigm, but for give a clear concept. Community, it is a volunteer association with the goal good together and with same relationships for everyone. In The community concept talk about paradigm. The paradigms thus omit the interpretation of the world from a specific form, and, for this action, followed a form of concrete thinking or narration. Say for way of the forms diverse of language. Expression that got more than moral or wrote. How is the case of the technology? Paradigm. Say it is a model, prototype for example, that would follow in any situation. It is a theory or different theories, how model to follow to fix issues or situations. We can say that Pi network is a paradigm because search fix an issue or situation. And the big issue for the cryptocurrencies is the adoption all over the world. Do you think Pi network can be adopted all over the world? The question is open for everyone. Different answers, I think. Night topic. Industry talk. Industry talk. Pi network blockchain. These principles, remember, important. This is an interesting topic for the Pi network community because talk about how to build a Pi network blockchain. First principle, integrity of the network. Second principle, distributed power or decentralization. Third principle, the value house incentive. Fourth principle, security. Fifth principle, privacy. Sixth principle, preserved rights. Seventh principle, inclusion. Follow me to know about the 7 principles. Let's begin. First principle, integrity of the network. This principle is important for the moment of working with the blockchain because you get to know the true inside of the technology. TaxGot and TaxGot 2017 say the integrity was everywhere and each one of the stages of the process and your distribution does not depend on each member. The participants can exchange value directly. Based on other actors exchange value with integrity. The truth is the condition sine qua non of the digital economy and a platform that admits the collaboration safe and true. So much people can big possibilities for a new form of social organization. Second principle, distributed power or decentralization. In other words, this is the power of the decentralization, distributive informatic power that give distributive human power and collectible benefits. Creation model of new reaches and distributive collaboration forms between same to fix social issues. crisis solution give good truths and institutions just to pass real power to the citizens. Give opportunities for prosperity and social participation. Third principle, the value how incentive Satos. He wrote, for Norm, the first transaction of one block it is a special transaction that gives start to one new coin that it is owner who create this block. This is one incentive for the nodes. Give support to the network. Fourth principle, security. Of course, it is important remember that in absence of third party of administration the security of our data and transactions, the responsibility of the keys, the private and special state in our hands. In other words, we are our bank owner. Fifth principle, privacy. TaxGov and TaxGov 2017 say the next. In the blockchain system, the participants can take the election to maintenance with great anonymous in the mind that does not need to associate another detail to your identity does not save that details in one database center. In the blockchain system does not exist treasures of personal information. The protocols of this system admit the election of privacy level that we are one in each transaction or environment. We are held to best administration of our identities and our interaction with the world. Sixth principle, preserved rights. In other words, all process in the blockchain how real property or intellectual can't be controlled, negotiated, questioned or represented for third parties, much less delete, talk to create one process that does not need to third parties, where nothing can have negotiation with your property, inclusive delete the expression rights, censure, association or religion. Seventh principle, and important to know that this principle can be the most important for Pi network in your vision and mission, because always talk that Pi network for everyone, and it is inclusion. The economy is functional when it is for everyone. This is deleting all borders that do not give participation. Create new platforms that it is possible one distributed capitalism and not only one redistributive capitalism. 10th topic. Other topics. Linked Pi apps inside finance apps in Latinamerica. I am working in build one finance app. Basically the app is for or buy and sell goods and services. Inside anything that developed for Pi, by any airtime for mobile device between more functions. Shared with everyone, screenshot of my prototype and Wave can give my contribution for Pi Network. This is my presentation for the first Pi Convention 2020. Thank you so much for your attention. Pi together. Happy mining.